Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The South African music sensation Makhadzi has been discharged from the hospital following a car accident which occurred on the 31st of December 2025 in the morning. Updating her fans on social media, she thanked them for their love and support, highlighting that they have always stood with her during difficult times. I am now discharged from the hospital so that my family can take care of me until I get back to normal, she said. Makhadzi revealed that from the treatment that she has been receiving, her doctor advised her that she has to remain at home for 10 weeks without performing. I thank God for protecting my voice. 10 weeks might look like I'll be lonely, but I believe God is giving me time to write beautiful melodies of good music. I won't be performing, but I'll be in studio doing what He saved me for. And also not forgetting to thank Him for giving me a second chance to breathe. The statement ended. For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimstek Media.